Well, the clock is ticking and the wickets are not picking. Well, that's a good news for the Bengal Tigers. And the captain being on the field is reassuring and at the same time entertaining too, because the kind of shots that we have seen through Joy have been good efforts. Some of them have been converted and some of them could need some more spunk.
I think Joy looks pretty settled for a single here. It's putting Ashok on spot of trying to get his team's scores like a machine.
It's a sunny day and it doesn't get hotter than this in Hyderabad during this time of the year, and it's Christmas Eve. Sunil, so both the teams will be trying to register runs on the board as well as come up with a victory so that they can at least go back home and find Santa Claus right next to the Christmas tree with a big box which says, "You won."
Absolutely, Vinny. That's such a lovely day today. Christmas Eve, presents and presents if you win. Oh, he got a wicket there. Ashok getting Yusuf cleaned up. Oh, Joy. Was it Joy or Yusuf? No, I think it was. विनीत, मैं आपको हिंदी में बता रहा था, बॉल स्टंप पे लगा, बंदा बाहर, बॉल बैट पे लगा, बॉल बाहर. Which has happened?
जी, बहुत ही एप्ट एनालॉजी कहेंगे इसको जो आपने दी है, और एक जहन में एक ही पिक्चर पेंट कर देता है. और अच्छी गेंद सुनील.
Perfect angle. That's his. Look at the confidence of his bowler. I think Ashok has been bowling really well. End of the over. 21 for 2. Bengal Tigers.
10 ओवर खेलने को मिलेंगे और अपने 5वें ओवर का आगाज कर रहे हैं अब बंगाल टाइगर्स, जिन्होंने अभी 2 विकेट गंवा दिए हैं और सिड और यूसुफ अभी क्रीज पर हैं. शाम चेन्नई राइनोज से अपना जलवा बिखेरने के लिए क्रीज पर आ गए हैं. देखिए, स्कोर तो बहुत ही हताश है. इस स्कोर के चलते मुझे नहीं लगता है कि ये 75 तक भी पार कर पाएंगे. सुनील,
Vinit, it's very difficult, from here Bengal Tigers can get a decent score of maybe 75 or 80 after 21 for 2 of 4 overs. And we have a new bowler, Santanu. I think this is a great move by CCL governing council, getting into T10 blast. That's a good move. New innovations. I think there's a lot of thought process has gone into it, and they made it happen. Fantastic.
बहुत ही बेहतरीन शॉट और इंटरसेप्ट कर लिया. सुनील, एक कप्तान की अब नीति क्या रहेगी कि जिस तरीके से उन्होंने अभी ये मोमेंटम हासिल किया है और जो मुश्किल से हासिल किया है, उसको अब मेंटेन कैसे करके रखेंगे? वो क्या चल रहा होगा उनके जहन में इस वक्त?
I think at this stage, the Rhinos captain just want to make sure that he has more number of dot balls and couple of singles. Nothing more than that from his bowlers.
जी, और ये वाइट का इशारा दिख गया और ये अच्छी खबर है बंगाल के लिए, क्योंकि रन बल्ले से तो आ ही नहीं रहे हैं, बॉलर से तो आए.
I thought he was not going to give wide, but he gave.
जी, और गंभीरता, और ये कोशिश करी उठाने की बल्ले को, पर जैसा कि मैंने कहा, गंभीरता, परिपक्वता, ये सब ऐसी चीजें हैं जो अभी इनकी बल्लेबाजी में नजर आनी चाहिए. पर अभी भी मुझे थोड़े सहमे लग रहे हैं बंगाल टाइगर्स. जाहिर सी बात है सुनील, अपने कप्तान को गवा दिया है और पहला ही मुकाबला है, तो ये भी कह सकते हैं कि ये एक एलिमेंट ऑफ रस्टीनेस has dawned upon them.
Absolutely. Can he give this wide? No. I thought he was going to give this wide. He didn't. But Vinit, मेरे को लगता है आप काफी दिनों से, सालों से आपसे मिल रहा हूँ मैं. मेरे को लगता है आप हाल ही में आप सिद्धू जी से कब मिले थे?
जी, जब मैं खाली होता हूँ तो मैं अपने फोन पर ही आजकल सिद्धू जी के वीडियोस देखता हूँ. और आप उनकी तरह खेलते हैं?
At this stage, I think Rhinos, they are bowling more dot balls. Vineet, I think Tigers need to get onto the Rhinos and run.
Well, in a fight between Rhinos and Tigers, well, that's a wide, and that's good. Runs coming off again through the medium of bowlers. But जैसा मैं कह रहा था कि जब इन दो दिग्गज जंगल के प्राणियों के बीच में लड़ाई होती है, राइनोसरस और टाइगर के बीच में, तो एक उत्साहित मनोरंजन का जो जलवा होता है,
होना चाहिए,
वो कब देखने को मिलेगा?
That's a good one. A Tiger has finally cracked it. Vineet, I think he has listened to you, Vineet. That's a good one. Good shot on pull to finish the over. 29 for 2 after 5 overs. Bengal Tigers.
Way back in 2011, they have won 2 titles so far. Chennai Rhinos. Saran Kumar is going to be a spinner now in operation. Bengal Tigers, the only thing that worries me, Raman, is that the batting hasn't really fired in the last 3 or 4 seasons, what I've seen of them. So this is going to be a test for them here. Although the conditions are pretty good. It's a quick outfield as well at the Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium. But really, somebody has to anchor one end up. It's T10, we all know that. But still, somebody has to just stay at the crease, occupy the crease as well. Oh, good delivery, good line as well from Saran. The ball just straightening with the arm.
Absolutely right, Ajay.
You got him, almost, you got him.
But now that you've already seen 5 overs go by, this should be taken, but it isn't. Single there. Takes Sid to the non-strikers end. Should have been taken, this catch at long on.
Yeah, went straight up to him there. Went straight to him, just messing that one up. Oh dear, oh dear. That's once again played in the air. This time falling in no man's land. And that's going to be a 4 as well. One bounce over the ropes. Good strike there. Exactly what Yusuf can do so well.
Well, he's living up to his name, isn't he? Yusuf. He's reached 20 with that boundary. Just sliced it over that extra cover region. Got it over the infield. One bounce and over. That's handy batting. That's what's required. That's the need of the hour now. 20 of just 12 deliveries. A strike rate of 166.7. Change in the field though, and it's on the onside.
It's a wicket for you, Sharan.
The boundary creamed through extra cover. 3 boundary riders there in the deep. It's going to be the man at deep mid wicket is going to come in. And the fumble will allow for 2. But there should have just been a single. You wanted the outfielder to attack the ball. He was really pinned at the boundary rope. That's the bench for the Bengal Tigers for you. Lost a couple of wickets, but still looking very, very exuberant.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, the next few batsmen padded up. Once again, going for the big one. Getting probably a bit of bat there as well. End of the 6th over, 36 for 2.